Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the video effect just for the overlay. So first you can select the background. So I'm going to select this image just for background, and I'm going to add the overlay put on top. That's it. I'm going to remove the background. That's it. And to add the effect just for overlay, you can go to effect and select effect you like, for example. So you can see the effect it's applying to background and overlay. So I'm going to apply just for the overlay. Select the overlay and select the effect, right click and create component clip, and you can see again for the final result. Yes, that's it. So super simple. That's how you can apply the video effect just for overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.